Hello, welcome at Jtruck issue store. Like you know, I reproduced this bumper nerf for this bumper. This is for old wagoneers. This is here the nerf I already produced for the grand wagoneer, and that you see here, they contain screw. Screw is really good if you need to put the nerf and to be sure is maintained correctly on the bumper. But my problem here, I didn't have screw in this version and only this pin like this. And to be sure, this is my test, I need to validate if this pin here are correctly designed and keep the nerf in the bumper. Here is a small version I built especially for this. They contain only one pin and I try to test and remove every times. My test is composed by, I tested 20 times push on and push out these pins, and after this is correctly installed, and here you can see I cannot remove and didn't have lateral play. And in this case I assume this is my last test before the bumper nerf, and is okay. I can continue. See you later in the next adventures for the reproduction part for full-size Jeeps.